Hello everyone, folks. Today we have a part of the parcel sent by Mikhail from America for processing. If anyone has not seen this video, you can watch it by following this link. There was a small box there. I went through this material. Look at how much plastic there is. Plastic is about 1/2 of a kilogram. And that's the amount of material already prepared. There are about 6 types of different connectors. These are the connectors. If you look closely, this is what they look like. Very similar to them. Quite a thick gilt, yellowish in appearance. And let's see what their way out will be. There are also such contacts of network connectors. Then these are the connectors. In short, everyone is different. Now let's throw it on the scales and see what weight we have here. So the weight of the old 1566, now we will immediately pour it here, and the weight of the empty container we have 100 grams, and it turns out 1466 grams. We have this material here.
Так, и вес пустой тары у нас, 100 грамм. И выходит 1466 грамм у нас вот этого вот материала.
For flushing, I will use 3 liters of water heated to about 55-60 degrees. Also, 67 grams of the Chinese reagent jinchong, pour out. Do not forget about safety precautions, because its dust is also harmful. And do not forget that it is alkaline. Be sure to wear protective gloves. Immediately here you can pour 20 grams of caustic soda. Let everything dissolve. As soon as everything is dispersed, we will add an oxidizer. The alkali reagent dissolved, and at the end we add the oxidizer 18 grams of red blood salt, aka potassium iron cyanide. So pour. Look, if the gilding is thick, it will not wash off immediately.
Если позолота толстая, то сразу не смоется.
Well, now let's see how quickly the gilding will be washed away.
Насколько быстро смоется позолота.
So now it is necessary to move like this. When moving, the gilding is quickly washed off.
При движении позолота быстро смывается.
You see how quickly it washes off. That's good to see. Okay, I'll stir it. I'll show you later. So, here's the connector from the edge. And look. See? He's already white. Well, there's still a little bit left. Not so fine gilding. You see. Here I think it is clearly visible that there is no gold. So, let's look at this one now. There are also these here.
Вот эти вот.
Look at them, too. There was such a decent looking gilding on them.
На них была такая на вид достаточно приличная позолота.
A little bit left, and so she's already gone.
Смылась.
After about 15 to 20 minutes, the entire solution discolored.
Светился.
All the red blood salt has reacted and the solution is practically inactive. It washes off, but very weakly, so I'm going to salt it in about 10 minutes, cook 3 liters again and already wash off the remains of the gilding.
Через 10 минут его солью, приготовлю снова 3 литра и уже отмою остатки позолоты. Спустя 20 минут второй раствор полностью отмыл материал.
There is no red color anywhere. The material is all 99% pure. Now we need to separate the solution from the material. For this I will use vacuum filtration.
Вакуумное фильтрование.
Also, do not forget to wash the material from the gold-containing solution. For the deposition of gold and possibly silver, I will use zinc grade PCR0.
ПЦР-0.
I took a 6-gram suspension. So sprinkle look the color should change if there is metal in the solution.
Изменится, если есть металл в растворе.
Now we need to dissolve the zinc while releasing the gold.
При этом золото.
So we pour in slowly. The reaction is very exothermic.
Экзотермично.
Forget about safety precautions.
Безопасности.
Here's how he reacts violently.
Реагирует.
So well, the reaction is already weak and the zinc has completely dissolved.
Полностью уже растворился.
This dark residue is gold.
Представляет из себя золото.
This is the result after the dissolution of zinc. The sediment is almost clean, but we will work with it again. The sediment was well washed with water, now we need to do additional cleaning. To do this, I will use aqua regia, which consists of 5 milliliters of 67% nitric acid and 15 milliliters of 30% hydrochloric acid. Here we get 20 milliliters. So carefully pour in until the sediment dissolves. Gold dissolves with the formation of the royal cell complex. We add more. All the metal has dissolved and now we need to heat up this solution. The crystals now need to be dissolved in water. And filter it out. While the solution is being filtered, we will prepare a reducing agent. Let's prepare its solution. To do this, I will use ascorbic acid from a chemical store, that is, they wrote there once in the comments whether it can be used from a pharmacy. It was bought from me in a chemical store. And we need 6.5 grams of this acid. Now, we transfer it to a glass and dissolve it in 40 milliliters of distilled water. The solution boiled and slowly add the reducing agent. The moment the golden foam appears, it is clearly visible. Adding more. Look, dark spots appear, so not all the gold has recovered yet. Stir, heat. So, well, all the metal is completely deposited, there are no dark spots anymore. Now it is necessary to heat well until a precipitate forms. He's already at the bottom, by the way. So, well, lightening has almost completely occurred and now I will show the sediment at the bottom.
nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Summing up, we look at the result.
Смотрим результат.
Very such a noble ingot, 325 almost.
3,25 почти.
And here are 325 grams. I think the result is excellent, given that the material was 1 whole 4/10 of a kilogram.
Было 1,4 килограмма.
And support this video with a like. Good luck to everyone. Bye to everyone.